Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with a Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro unboxing guide. Carefully remove the top packaging corner protectors with a box knife or cutting tool. Next, carefully cut the tape and open the package. Take out and read the quick start guide and safety guidelines included with your machine. Remove the inner filling materials, including the corner brackets and styrofoam, from the package. With assistance, lift out the machine and place it on a flat and stable desktop. Remove the moisture-proof bag and the body protective film from the Makera Z1. Open the machine's cover. It will automatically hold and fix in the open position when at a fully open height. Take out all of the packing material and included accessories and tools within your machine. Make sure that all foam is removed from within the machine. The Z1 comes standard with a material and accessory kit as well as a tool kit. The standard material accessory kit contains machining materials, double-sided tape, a wired probe, emergency stop button, sanding block, lubricant, bit collars for an 1/8 inch spindle collet diameter, USB cable, safety goggles, 3D probe rod, and a power cord. The standard toolkit contains an L bracket, top clamp, spindle collet installer, hex screwdriver bits, multifunction screwdriver, milling bits, bit collar installer, M5 screws, and 4mm locating pins. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.